Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a backup of your WhatsApp chats on Samsung Galaxy Tab A11. Alright, to do it we need to open up our WhatsApp. Now once we are here we need to click on those three dots in the top right corner and now open up the settings. Oh, my bad, not in here, on the left side. And now scroll down, find the chats, scroll down once again until you find chat backup. Okay, and now we need to discuss a few things. Let's begin with the Google account. Let's tap on that. And in my case, currently this Google account is selected. That's basically the Google account that I'm currently logged into in the settings of my tab. And on that account, in the cloud of it, our backup will be saved and stored. So if you want to restore your chats later, you'll need to be logged into the same Google account that you have selected right in here during the backup process. If you want, you can of course select a new account. Simply click on Add and log into other Google account. Now, down below, we have the automatic backups. Defaultly, this option is set on off. But in my case, I put it on the monthly, which means that each month the backup will be automatically made and I don't need to do this manually. It is pretty convenient and comfortable thing. So I highly recommend you to also select one of those modes. We have daily, weekly, monthly, or only when it's a backup. I like the monthly, so I'll stick to that. Below we have option to include the videos in our backup. Let's make sure that it's enabled. And on the bottom, we have end-to-end encrypted backup. It's like an extra security feature. It's not necessary to turn it on, but if you want to do it, in here you can create a unique password that you will need to type in the future if you want to restore your chats. But be aware that if you create a password and when you forget it, you won't be able to restore your chats. So simply, if you want, you can create that, but don't forget the password. But remember that it's not necessary to create it. Okay, now, make sure that you have some free Google stored space. If you don't have enough, simply delete something. And now, click the backup button to start the process. In my case, it won't take long because I don't have many messages. Okay, everything went fine. We can see a confirmation right in here. Last backup, we can see the hour. They are the same, so everything went successfully. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.